My name's Erica. This is my t-shirt. First we did a rough design and then I went over it with fabric crayon. Then our teacher ironed it onto our t-shirt and I coloured it in with fabric paint. My name is Lisa. This is my t-shirt. I painted it with fabric paints.
Oh, fantastic do-it-yourself t-shirt designs there using fabric paint. Now, I've been doing a spot of my own t-shirt design research to see if there's any alternative to using those specialist fabric paints. And this is what I came up with. Here's a fantastic design that I did using red poster paint. Unfortunately, it all came out in the wash, so poster paint's no good. This was a little bit better, ordinary felt tip pen, but again, the problem was it faded and ran in the wash. This was much better here. Nail varnish using Mum's leftovers. Went on well and survived the wash. The only problem with nail varnish is you can't get many different colours. Unlike acrylic paint, you can get lots of colours, goes on brilliantly and survives the wash. But obviously you don't boil wash any of these. And it was acrylic paint that I used to design my Art Attack t-shirts. And let's face it, they've had a few washes in their time. But the surprise result were these permanent markers and gold pen. And if you stick some cardboard inside the t-shirt to stretch it before you do it, it's easier to actually draw onto the cotton. And it also protects the back of the t-shirt and stops the ink going through. And the technique here is just to do lightly flicked lines like that. Not too much ink on, otherwise it will smear. And another good tip is to just draw your design in pencil before you apply the permanent marker. And if you make a mistake, you can just rub it out before committing to the dreaded permanent marker. Now, I actually think they're great things, these, because they survive the wash. Now, obviously, I'll say it again, don't put it on too hot a wash. Nice, gentle wash. And you may find that your t-shirt will fade over time, but then it's just simply a case of going over the original lines with your pens again. And there it is. And just do a little fancy bit of a design up the top there. And that's it, finished. So there it is. Permanent markers and gold pen. Definitely get my thumbs up for jazzing up your old t-shirts. Try it yourself, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!